In aerospace, reliability isn't optional, it's everything. Every part, every flight, every mission depends on precision, protection, and performance. At the heart of longevity lies innovation like sacrificial liner bonding. Engineered to wear instead of the base part, this process shields critical components from heat, friction, and erosion. From landing gear and bushings to rotor heads and damper assemblies, liner bonding extends part life and keeps aircrafts mission ready. Our cleaning and testing services eliminate carbon, hydraulic, and metal residues, reducing the risk of premature wear and foreign object damage. Precision-cleaned parts, especially oil-wetted engine components, are restored to optimal performance, ready for reassembly. Through strip and recoat operations, we remove worn coatings and reapply advanced protective layers. The result? A corrosion-resistant finish that restores components to like-new condition. Our FPI and MPI inspections reveal even the smallest surface cracks and wear before they become flight-critical issues. By identifying damage early, we enable rework and salvage components, ensuring that they stay safe, serviceable, and airworthy. From cleaning and testing to bonding, coatings, and inspection, we deliver the processes that protect performance and the precision that powers flight. Your mission deserves reliability. Your parts deserve excellence. Your MRO partner, Element Materials, Technology, Enfield.